Hey guys, Jim here. Wanted to show you quite a bit about this StayLock tile bump top product that we got from Great Math. It's been really wonderful for us. We've had it now for about a couple months. Spent about a fraction of the money I was quoted to put in hardwood flooring, or any sort of, vinyl. Just wanted something to work out on, but we didn't want something permanent. So we wanted something that would sit level and give us a good grounded surface to exercise on, but something that ultimately just floated on top of the existing carpeting. And that's exactly what it's sort of been for us, which has been great. But I really just wanted to show you a couple quick features that were really important to me when I was buying this that I wish I had been able to see. One is just how level it comes out. Again, this is just floating on top of the existing carpet. The other thing that's really cool is just how easy it is to get your carpeting back in really good shape. Again, this has been sitting on here for a few months. We've been using it daily. And again, if you just sort of scruff up, this area here, with a little bit of care, you could easily get your carpeting back in really great shape once you remove this stuff. The other thing I wanted to show is just really quickly, I'm gonna steal the camera from my buddy here, how easy it is to sort of install this stuff. So I left a couple sort of exposed, like this, and they really just sit into these ends, and just really with a good whack. You go over to the dumbbells here, and again, these 35, 40 pounds, they've been sitting on here for a while. There's not a whole lot of dimpling, there's really no indention, and again, it just feels nice and level and perfect for being able to be stable and working out on. So overall, this was a really wonderful product for us to end up with.